What's up guys, and welcome back to the investing journey. And today we're going to take a look at my October income from my different income streams. As you guys probably know, I have multiple income streams besides my normal 9 to 5 job. So let's check out how much I earned in the last month of October. My first income streams are my dividends, which is the main focus of this channel, as you probably know from the other videos and the shorts I post every week. And for the dividends I received in October, there's a full video of all my dividends of October in the description down below, so don't forget to check that out. But the short version, I received a total of 35.95 euros in dividends. I received 3.35 euros from Main Street Capital. I got 8.54 euros from Illinois Toolworks. I received a big dividend paycheck of 17.90 euros from Altria Group. And last but not least, I received 6.15 euros from Coca-Cola. My second income stream is my Airbnb apartment that I rent out on a monthly basis. So let's check out how much my Airbnb generated in revenue over the last month. In October, we had a total income from Airbnb of 1,141 euros and 73 cents. We had to pay a total of 42 euros and 27 cents to Airbnb as a service fee. So the total revenue we generated in October was 1,099 euros and 46 cents before taxes, obviously, so we have to pay taxes on that as well. But that was the income so far in October with Airbnb. For the year 2025, we started this year in March, we generated so far 7,495 euros and 60 cents in income. With the apartment on Airbnb alone, we had to pay a total of 267 euros and 55 cents in service fees, which is, in my opinion, not that bad. I mean, that's a total of 3.5% in service fees. After the fees, our total income for 2025 is 7,228 euros. And another second income stream is Booking.com. I'm going to call this my second income stream as well, because we rent out the same apartment on Airbnb and Booking.com just to max out the reservations we get and to max out our revenue we can generate. And for Booking.com in October, we generated a total of 330 euros and 20 cents. With the apartment, we had to pay 44 euros and 25 cents in service fees or commission and fees. So the total income in October was 285 euros and 95 cents. If you compare the 3.5% in service fees from Airbnb with the 13.4% fees in commission we had to pay on Booking.com, you probably wonder, okay, why don't you only put your apartment on Airbnb if the service fee is so high in Booking.com? Yes, that's a good idea, but if you only put it on Airbnb, the chances are much lower that we actually get a full month and boost our revenue. And another thing is, on Booking.com, we put our apartment slightly higher from the price for the guests than on Airbnb, so we can compensate the higher fees we have to pay in Booking. So for us, it's no problem if the guest is booking on Airbnb or Booking.com. We get the both revenue at the end of the day, because, as I said, the price on Booking is slightly higher to compensate for the higher fees. That was the October income. And last but not least, we have our third income stream, which is our gardening business that me and my brother own. It's a small gardening business, it's just the two of us. And for October, we only had one contract due to holiday season. So I was on holidays, my brother were on holidays, and we had bad weather as well. So we only had one contract and generated 300 euros in revenue for October. So let's check out the whole income we generated in October with all the businesses and income streams. We had a dividend income of 35 euros and 95 cents. With our Airbnb, we generated 1,099 euros and 46 cents. With the apartment on Booking.com, we generated an income of 285 euros and 95 cents. And with our gardening business, we made a total income of 300 euros. So the whole revenue in October was 1,721 euros and 36 cents. Obviously, except the dividends, it's all before taxes. If you want to know more about that, let me know in the comments below. And see you guys in the next video. I'm going to make a monthly income review of my income streams, so don't miss out in the next months, and see you guys soon.